M0FXB, just a quick one on WJSTX-FT8 using the ICOM 705. It's 2022 July. So you can see the radio in the background. We've got it set on USB-D. We've got a micro USB cable in the side going into my computer. Now I haven't changed anything else. And if we look at the settings here, let's go to Device Manager. So make sure you install the driver for the ICOM 705 before you connect any radio to the computer. Then right click here on Device Manager, Windows 10 this is, and just go to your ports and double click, and you need to be seeing this ICOM 705 serial port A and ICOM 705 serial port B. And mine is showing COM8 and COM9, yours will be different, okay? So let's just remember that the top one is 8 and the bottom one is 9. So we'll close that, and now we'll go to the configuration. So on the top here, go File, yeah, and go Settings. Let's just move it away from the radio here. So on the top, on Audio tab, you've got a few tabs here, and there's lots you can change, but I'm just doing the basics now. Audio tab, look, microphone to USB audio codec. Very important you select that. Microphone on the input is audio codec. On the output underneath, you've got a drop down as well, and you want speakers to USB audio codec. I haven't changed anything else because I'm keeping this simple. Radio, that's the next tab to the left. Select ICOM 705. Yeah, I haven't changed anything else, but mine is set to cat, none, and none on the right here. On the left, baud rate is 19200 here. Now, if you look at your device manager, go to the COM, double click here, click device, do the top one first, properties, and go to port settings. Just make sure that matches. So mine says 9600, so that should really say 19200, but knowing my luck, if I change it, it will stop working. But anyway, we're going to do it anyway. Properties, port settings, 19200. Okay, that's it. Click OK. Well, test cat, look, and it goes green when you test cat, and test PT, and look, it goes red. Click OK. So you've got all that set good. Now to tune, what I do is look here where it says tune on the right hand side where I'm circling the mouse. Click tune, and you want your AGC to be low. So on your ICOM 705, tap the meter and select S-ALC, and see mine's got about 3 bars in blue, and it's not the clearest. I lower this power slider here on the right. It says power. I lower that until I get about 1 bar showing. You want it quite low, and then look to get it auto TX, and you just enable TX, and it's now TXing. What you can do here with the big blue graph here, just right click where there's a space, and normally this will be full of yellow things coming down. It's just my antenna's a bit rubbish today, and so look for a gap, set RxTX, enable TX. It's going to start TXing automatically now, as you can see. Just move that across. So it's gone black because I've moved it across and it's in TX. You can see on the, if you look at the 705, you can actually see on the screen that it's TX, and you can see the signal on the scope. And it will, just keep an eye on it, but it will do that automatically. And then when you get a contact, you'll get a red line here, or you could double click one of these stations here on the left, and it will automatically start trying to contact them. We'll just let it refresh. There's one, G4NAQ. Actually, let's try G4NAQ actually. See if we get a contact there. I'll let it run for a couple of minutes, and then we'll call it a day. But I think you've got all the settings there. Yeah, just let it run. You can hear it in the background, and there's all sorts of settings. There's so much you can do with this program. Let it run. Enable TX again. Still trying to contact. Let's have a look now. TM08. I must have clicked on him earlier. And you get the idea. So all working fine. Thanks for watching my channel. And you can change the band here. Look, 40, 80, 20. If it's working, 30. Sorry, if it's working, you know, you will be able to do all this, no problem at all. I mean, I tend to go on 40 meters, to be honest. I'll put that into enable TX. You can hold TX here as well. I'm going to click enable and let it just do its thing. So 7.3, thanks for watching my channel. Catch you on air, all the best.